Mornings at the lake begin early. As campers rise from their tents, the smells of breakfast cooking float through the trees. The morning bite brings fishermen to their boats for a chance to catch trout or the elusive kokanee. As the morning wanes, hikers are called to explore the Eagle Cap Wilderness. Wildlife abounds as people ascend to the alpine peaks for a glimpse of remote lakes and stunning waterfalls. A short trip to the town of Joseph attracts visitors from near and far to find that unique buy. Back in Little Alps, families take up a game of mini golf. Kids challenge each other to get wet on the bumper boats, then speed over to the go-karts for a victory lap. Kayaking the lake is available for families to enjoy before heading back to the state park. A traditional family game of horseshoes is called before dinner time. Dusk brings people close to the fire, but if you're lucky to be here on Independence Day, the flash of fireworks brighten up the sky as the booms echo through the mountains. Campers head back to their tents and cabins to prepare for the next day. This is Wallowa Lake.